Retail operations are among the most erratic of any industry. Empowering frontline decision makers with the ability to see influential trends as they happen can keep stores running efficiently and product sales flowing smoothly. Today's reporting systems do not answer many key questions asked by frontline managers. They often have time-sensitive or situational questions that are not answered by the reports they receive. EasyAsk Quiri is the industry's first voice-enabled mobile solution for corporate applications. Quiri blends an advanced Siri-like mobile-optimized interface with the ability to ask ad hoc questions of corporate data in English. With Quiri, frontline decision makers can ask the detailed questions they need and get immediate answers. EasyAsk Quiri for SAP Retail is configured to work with the SAP Customer Activity Repository on SAP HANA. This unique integration allows Quiri to answer a broad array of questions on the metrics and attributes in the SAP Retail solution and takes full advantage of the power of SAP HANA. Let's look at how Quiri works with the SAP Customer Activity Repository to help different people in the retail organization. Store managers need constant visibility into their store operations. Their needs are often time-driven. They want to see what is happening in real time. Their needs can also be situational. They might want to see the influence of different promotions or discounts on current sales. We are logged in as Jim, store manager at the South Center Mall in Alberta. Jim can ask any question about net sales for his store and cross-tab those results over a variety of attributes. For example, if he wants to check sales and sales from promotions, he can ask, "What are my net sales and promotion net sales for today?" If Jim wants to check on the best-selling products in his store this week, he can ask, "What are my top 10 products by total net sales for this week?" Jim can ask questions specific to his store about any of the 45 metrics in SAP CAR, and slice that data across 50 different attributes, or ask specific questions about an attribute value, such as product category name. For example, to check on the sales of products in the outdoors category, he asks, "What are my total net sales for this week for outdoors?" Regional managers require visibility into and across the various stores in their region using many of the same metrics and attributes at the store level. But in our case, a regional manager may also need to look across regions to see larger trends, and does not have the same data restrictions as a store manager. We are now Patrick, who is a regional manager in Alberta. Patrick can check on net sales in the stores of his regions by asking, "What are the net sales in Alberta for each store?" Lastly, Patrick can check how promotions are influencing sales in his region and compare that to other regions by asking, "Compare total promotion net sales and total net sales for this week by region." The percentage column on the right shows the percentage of sales coming from promotions in each region. Category managers and merchandisers need to constantly monitor product sales trends. They need to check across different channels and drill down to specific product attributes that might be influencing sales. They also need to track different promotional activity. Category managers tend to work more from their desk. So here we will show the EasyAsk Web Studio, which is designed for easy data discovery. We are now Ben, a category manager for outdoors. If he wants to check on the top selling products this week in his category, he asks, "What are the top 5 outdoor products by total net sales for this week?" If I want to check on how my products are selling online versus in the store, I can ask, "What are the total net sales this year for outdoors by channel?" Lastly, perhaps Ben wants to pull some multidimensional data about sales across product categories and stores. He asks the question, "Pivot total net sales by store by category." EasyAsk will retrieve the data, and then Ben presses the Excel button. This causes the data to be exported into Excel as a pivot tool. Ben uses Excel to further analyze or chart the data. EasyAsk Quiri puts the right information in the hands of your frontline retail operations decision makers anytime and anywhere. Get more insight, see situations faster, execute quickly and more effectively. For more information, please visit the EasyAsk website at www.easyask.com.